Hi everyone. Are you tired of spending too much on premium tools like ChatGPT Plus, GPT-4, Grok, MidJourney, DeepSeek, and many more? What if I told you there is a smarter way to get all of them at a huge discount? Let me introduce you GamsGo, the ultimate platform for affordable premium subscription. GamsGo give you shared access to the world's most popular AI and productivity tool, all at a fraction of cost. Whether you are a creator, freelancer, student, or a business owner, this platform is built to help you save big and get more done. With GamsGo, you can access ChatGPT Plus, GPT-4, and GPT-4o with vision and image generation. Grok by XAI, MidJourney for stunning AI art, DeepSeek AI-powered research, and many more premium platforms like Autodesk, Canva, and even Netflix and Spotify and YouTube Premium. New tools are added constantly so you could always stay ahead. Getting started with GamsGo is easy. Just go to gamsgo.com, sign up and create your account, browse through all available subscriptions, choose what you want, and pay securely through their SSL protected checkout. And just like that, your subscription is delivered instantly. No delays, no hassles. Here is what makes GamesGo different. Instant delivery. Start using your subscription right after the payment. 24 by 7 live support. You could go ahead and get help whenever you need it. The next important thing I want to highlight is GamesGo refund policy. If you are not satisfied, go and get a full refund within 24 hours. And last, GamesGo have 98% of positive reviews. That is trusted by thousands of happy users. Here's the best part. As a viewer of this channel, you could get exclusive discounts on GamesGo. Just use my referral link and promo code that is given in the video description as well as in the pinned comment and save even more. So why overpay for the tool like ChatGPT, Grok, or MidJourney when you get them all for less with GamsGo? That is perfect for students, families, designers and creators, developers, and AI enthusiasts. Check the link below, grab your subscription, and start using premium tools today without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another smart tech tips. Thanks for watching ITPK. Take care. Bye.